Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day on the lake, and we are continuing the Salon project. And Sergi started yesterday the ceiling, the first two stripes over the first coat of plaster, and it is looking absolutely wonderful. And today we will continue with the ceiling, and maybe I will do something to the floor. I haven't decided yet. We will decide with Sherry a little bit later. I don't know how you can do that with this music. It is relaxing for you, isn't it? I'm really amazed how Sherry can just peacefully sleep with this music. I think it's
grown up listening to books.
Right. Right. So you've done two sections, and you improved your technique, and you're much faster now, aren't you?
Not very much.
Not very much. Well, I will help you. I'll change my pajamas. I'm still in my pajamas. Ooh. And I will be with you.
Okay.
Yay! Wow, this one is quite deep, isn't it? And our new routine is going down into the town all together to have lunch next to the lake. And Sherry is ready, I'm ready, we are waiting for Sergi. And then we will enjoy this afternoon and the sunshine and the lake. It's beautiful. Sherry's very excited. Oh, there are geese. We can't let her go, Kotik. There are geese. But maybe she will learn about the geese and the danger.
We'll see. I prefer to sit over here.
Okay, let's do that. Yeah, we have some food, we have hot coffee in the basket. It's perfect. And here is our lunch, nice and hot in our thermo box, thermo bag, yeah, rice with chicken. And Sherry is, well, she can't stay peaceful for a second next to the water. She wants to jump into the lake. Yeah, well done, Sherry. Yeah, she can't stand them, honestly. She can't bear the idea of swans being anywhere around us, honestly.
I'm not haunted.
No, they drive her crazy. And back at the house, we are continuing today's project. I washed the floor. Also, I started cleaning the seams, and I'm simply using an old knife, just cleaning all the dirt and remains of old mortar from the seams, and then vacuuming it, and the floor is ready to be grouted. I think I will clean this section now, a little bit here, and I will finish next to the door, and then I will do this section with a grout today. Well, the floor, one part of the floor is grouted, one little portion, and now I'm cleaning the extra grout, and it is looking lovely. I must admit, working in the salon is such a pleasure. I love this room so much, and we've spent here almost the whole day. Sergio did one more section. I did the 1/3, maybe 1/4 of the room with the grout, and it really looks beautiful. It looks so pretty. I'm very, very, very happy with the result. You can see the difference with the grouted part of the floor and not grouted part of the floor. And now we have some experience with the terracotta floors, and here I'm trying different product. The different grout, which is this product, and it is resin cement. I am not sure. Oh, here is the English description. I will zoom a little bit. I'm not sure if it will work. The problem with previous grout was that it worked absolutely fine downstairs, where we laid the terracotta tiles on the concrete base, and it's perfect, it's wonderful, any grout will work. Here on the first floor, we have these original terracotta floors, and these are laid, these have wooden base. So basically this is what they've got underneath: wooden beams, then floorboards, and on top of that some sand. So it is moving, it is always moving, this floor. Let's say you understand, with the temperature, with people walking on this floor, it has some movement. And where I grouted the floor in the bedroom, most of the grout came out, especially in the corridor. Here in the corridor, let me just turn on the light, and I did grout here, you can see, and it all coming out. It's all just cracking and it is coming off. Same here, this is not finished result, was my little try. And here where it was final result, you see all the seams are empty, and this is the problem, because it doesn't look pretty, it doesn't look as I wanted it to look, and I really wanted to look like that. This is very pretty. So we decided to try another option, another type of grout, which could be a little bit more flexible and it could not crack as much, but we can't know is it working or not until we live with it for some time, until we see how the floor behaves and how the grout reacts. So there is no other option than try this product, do the whole room with this product, and then to see. What we also bought as just to try, a little just paste grout for wooden floors, for parquet. But it is completely silicone grout. It's a bit different product, so I'm not sure we will be using it here, but definitely we might try to do the corridor, as it is very high traffic place. Just corridor in this silicone filler to see how it works. Yeah, so far so good, and I really hope that this product will be fine and it will work well. And for the rest of the week, I think my project will be the floor, to complete it with grout and to seal it, and then one thing will be done. And this is it for today. I wish you a very good day and I see you tomorrow. Bye.